Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Aishram Malyala. In this particular video, I am going to give you all the inputs for JEE Mains and Advanced 2022. Let it be regular students and droppers. Do watch the video till the end so that you will get all the required inputs for your preparation of JEE Mains and Advanced 2022. So without taking much time, let's get into the video. JEE 2022 strategy by Aishram Malyala. As you all know, I am from NIT Warangal. First of all, crash course batch for JEE Mains 2022 is starting from 13th October. These are all the faculty on the right. If you want to enroll for this particular batch, use the links in the description. Next comes to Excel batch for droppers, JEE Mains and Advanced 2022. This is also starting from 13th October. You can see the faculty over here, and if you want to enroll, use the link and also my code CharanYT for 10% instant discount on all subscriptions. T20 test series for JEE 2022, 2023 and 24 aspirants. 30 minutes test, 20 questions. So write this test, win daily prizes. You can see the rewards over there, and also you'll able to analyze your preparation while writing where you are lagging and where you are strong. Everything will be known once you write this test series. So this test series is going on from 7th October till 29th October. So do attempt this particular test series. And first of all, I would like to request each one of you who is watching this video, take a pen and paper or a book and paper. So open a page and try to note down the important points which I am going to discuss across this video. So first and foremost, I would like to ask every one of you. So first, try to know the reason why you want to write JEE 2022. So ask yourself for self motivation. Reason is, okay, I may talk now, some other video, some other people will come and speak. So after watching the video, that motivation may last not more than a one day. Okay, even if I speak or even if any very good motivational speaker speaks to you, you listen to their video or you watch their video, so you try to adapt what they said. I am sure, so I also came from your situation, right? I am sure after watching that video, that particular motivation will not last long. So that is why I am asking you to be self-motivated. Try to know the reason why you wanted to write JEE 2022. That may drag you to the preparation, okay? That may keep you always into the preparation. So try to know the reasons why you are going to write. So why you want to write that. So that will surely help you to be self-motivated. So try to know the reasons why you wanted to write JEE 2022. So next comes, believe in yourself. You can do it. So don't worry about the result which you are going to get in your papers or like weekend tests or anything like that. Just believe in yourself that you can do it. You have very good time. So even if we say that they may conduct the JEE next JEE Mains in February, so you have today, this is October, so October to November, December, January and February, you have another 4 months. 4 months is not a simple thing. 4 into 30 if you take, it's almost 120 days. Okay, so 120 days is not a simple thing. You have a lot of time, so please make use of this time properly. Okay, you can do it. And create a plan of action by yourself. So many people usually ask me, Bhaiya, please give me timetable. Please don't follow somebody's timetable. So you can follow the timetable given by your teachers. For example, if you ask mine, so according to my mind, I will decide my own timetable. So it is not sure that it will surely help you. So for example, there will be one chapter. I may complete that in 2 days. You may complete that in 4 days or 1 day itself. So you will waste time and you need more time. So comparatively, it depends on the students aspect actually. Okay, so that is why I'm saying, guys, try to prepare your own timetable. So what are your monthly targets? 4 months are there. How you are going to divide 4 months for all the 3 subjects equally? So then how you are going to divide each and every week to all the 3 subjects, and also how you are going to divide all the 3 subjects equally every day. So how you are going to do that? So divide like that. So complete it before at least 3.5 months. So last 15 to 20 days, just revising what you have studied till then. Okay, so that is what my plan is. So even if you take 1 or 2 hours, no issues. Take 1 or 2 hours of your day today and prepare your own timetable, keeping in front of all the chapters. So you know which chapter takes how much time, right? So use accordingly and prepare that timetable. Make or use of your own notes. So if you are a dropper, if you already have a notes, use them. Or if you are presently studying in 12th standard, so from now onwards, at least the remaining chapters, so while listening to the class, try to note down the notes. So don't pause the video and note down. Pause the video, it will take a lot of time. And also don't watch recorded lectures and write notes. So those are going to do that thing. So try to download some notes from Google. That will help you. Other than that, please don't try to create the notes just by pausing the video and writing here, pausing the video and writing here. That will kill most of your time. And if you have it, use them. If you don't have, try to download. If you want to write, what you have to do is, while listening to the classes, automatically your hand should work and your mind should work on the class. Your hand should work on the. I don't think like using some other notes will help you, because it depends on the student's personality. Like for example, so same thing, I may understand one point in a different way, but you may understand it in a different way. Ultimately the concept is same, but the way student understands, that is what they write in the notes. So when I write my notes, I write my such a way that, so whenever I see that, I will easily understand that. But it doesn't mean that whenever someone sees that, they will also understand that thing, okay? So it depends on the person to person. So try to avoid using some other notes until and unless it is some faculty prepared that, okay? So if there is no other choice, of course we can't do anything. Something is better than nothing. In that case, you can use some other notes, but so try to mostly avoid using others notes, okay? Join coaching for systematic study. So mainly droppers, many people ask me whether can we study from YouTube, can we do self-study and all. So I can openly say that please don't do that. So for a systematic plan, systematic study, so try to please join a coaching. That will surely help you in guiding you throughout the 1 year of drop year, okay? And fix your study material. Some students try to, like what they will do is, they will keep a lot of various kinds of books over in front of them, and it will be like they are studying from each and every book. That is not necessary. Try to fix one book and just focus on that book. Try to do from starting to ending from that one book only. If you fixed with your coaching material, for example Narayana material or else Kota material, resonance material, fix that and do that. All the materials will contain almost all same kind of questions, same level of questions only. So please just fix one book. So try to complete all the chapters from that one book only. So don't jump from here to there to here. If you do that, that will really kill your time. You will not get equal, you will not get proper knowledge about that concept, because level 1 questions of this book can be level 2 questions of that book. So if you do level 1 from here and level 2 from there, almost again same level of questions you are doing. So if there is a question kind of level 2 from the first book, that may be level 3 from that book. You think that I did level 2 from this book, right? Okay, I completed level 1 and level 2, but that will not work, right? So that is what I am saying. So try to, if you focus on one book, just complete that book entirely. So that will only help you, okay? And PYQs are most chapter wise question solving help you, okay? So previous year questions will surely give you a great confidence actually. So you will feel like, yeah, I am doing JEE Mains level questions. So JEE Mains previously asked questions. That will also be help you to get in self-motivated. So please guys, try to do previous year questions properly after each and every chapter, okay? That is must, okay? And how many questions to solve? Many people say, bro, so I selected this chapter, how many questions should I solve so that I will be perfect in that particular concept or chapter? There is nothing like that. There won't be any fixed number of questions. If you solve them, you will easily get each and every question related to that particular concept. There is nothing like that. So always I say quality will be always greater than quantity. So how much you are learning, so how much level of questions you can able to tackle in the exam or during the preparation, that is what matters. So it doesn't mean that if you do 200 questions, so you will get full out of full marks from that particular concept. It is nothing like that. How much depth of that concept you learned, how much level of the question you can solve from that particular concept is what matters. So please focus on that. Don't worry about how much time we should study, how many questions we should do. So these are useless questions. So please don't think about them. Please don't try to get the answers from these questions from anyone. Let it be teachers or let it be any other YouTubers. So please don't try to get the answers of these questions, okay? It's kind of waste thing. So it's only depends on quality, okay, rather than quantity. Mock test followed by analysis. So I think most of the people don't do this. Even I also didn't do in my class 12. So that is why I'm requesting you guys. So after writing a test, try to analyze the test. What you are doing the mistake? Why you are getting less marks? So why the question was wrong even though you solved it? So if you try to find out these reasons for getting less marks, you will surely don't try to commit the same mistake again in the next test. So that is why I'm saying mock test followed by analysis is really compulsory for a JEE main aspirants and JEE advanced aspirants. You will learn from whenever you learn from your own mistake, you will learn more than what someone comes and say, right? That's what I'm saying. Okay, analysis increases your score for sure. That is really a game changer. Those who write mock tests and analyze them properly, they will get you can see the improvement in their scores gradually from test to test. So that is why I suggest you, please do analyze the mock test after writing. So okay, this is correct, I did this properly, fine. Why this is wrong? Okay, maybe the concept issue, I used my formula wrong, so this thing I should not repeat in the next exam. This is how you need to analyze and note down in a book. So whenever you go for another exam, try to analyze that. So if you want to know how to analyze, I already made this video, you can watch this video, that maybe help you. So how many hours of preparation? As I already said, quality is always greater than quantity. It is nothing like if you study 15 hours and 16 hours, it doesn't mean that you will get IIT, you will get NIT. So some YouTubers will say this, but thing is, for example, I can keep my book in front of me and I will sit for 10 hours without getting from that place. So others think that, oh, this fellow is studying 10 hours a day, he'll surely get into so and so IIT, NIT, IIT. It is nothing like that. He's just sitting there, he's not learning anything. So it doesn't mean that how much time or how many questions you do. Always matters is quality. So even if you study in 1 hour, study with utmost concentration, give your 100% to it, and sleep properly. So please don't of course, even if you do overnights also, try to give some times in a day for sleeping. At least try to sleep for 6 to 7 hours or 8 hours. 6 to 8 hours you can use for sleeping. Please do that. Okay, always be motivated. So I already said in the start itself, try to mostly try to be self-motivated rather than waiting for someone to come you motivate. So that will really help you. And never give up, and never lose hope. That's it, guys. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.